Can my family recover damages after a personal injury claim? It's a great question. Your family can be entitled to damages because you're injured and they help you, but the path to get that compensation is tricky. At law, there's a concept called quantum meruit. It appreciates the efforts, the extraordinary efforts of friends, families, and other people who do services for you that wouldn't otherwise be needed if you didn't have an incident, an injury, something arising from negligent conduct. It only makes sense that the law should appreciate and reward those that go the extra mile to help you. They wouldn't need to do that help, give you that assistance if you weren't hurt. So the law appreciates those efforts through a type of damages that can be advanced through a personal injury claim. Insurance companies, however, hate paying this type of damage. They don't appreciate this type of loss and don't recognize it in many circumstances. And it's because it's not supported or because they don't see the efforts of your friends, your family, your loved ones. They don't see those efforts as substantial or meaningful. You might think this is unfair. I'm telling you it is. These people go above and beyond to help you. If it's rides to the hospital, helping prepare food for you, cutting your grass, bringing you to appointments, helping with ongoing daily life chores. I have clients where their neighbors are coming over to help them shower, to help do their hair, to help them get dressed, to help put breakfast on the table, to give them money so their bills are paid. Really exceptional stuff. But insurance companies only want to look at the injured person and what they lost. We know losses are more comprehensive than that. They're more meaningful. They involve more people. So if you're struggling with a personal injury claim and other people are helping you, don't let the insurance company tell you that only your losses count. You need a well-supported personal injury claim that considers extraordinary losses. Now, there's work to get there. I need to have a comprehensive statement from those people outlining what they did, why it goes above and beyond, why it's not just normal. If it's what your spouse or your partner does normally, it's not going to count because they love you, they do things for you. We're looking for a list of these things that go above and beyond, that are extraordinary, and that are linked directly to the incident. But here's the thing, there's another type of loss that people don't think about when it involves their friends, their families, their partner. It's valuable services. Most of my clients after an accident, they can't do everything at home that they used to be able to do. They can't cook the meals, they can't do the grass, they can't do the snow, they can't clean up, scrub the tubs. Whatever it is, those jobs, those tasks have changed. They're either not getting done or somebody else is doing them. If somebody else is doing them, that's a loss. It's a compensable loss. Somebody else is taking time to do services that you would otherwise have to pay for. If I put it another way, imagine that friend or family didn't exist. They weren't there to help you. They couldn't do it. You'd have to go into your pocket, get money, and pay for those yourself. That's a valuable services loss. As a personal injury lawyer, you should be compensated for that service that you can't do. You should be compensated as if that person who is helping you couldn't do it anymore. A personal injury claim is about restoring what you've lost and what you will lose. If you'll lose the ability to have help, you need to have the compensation to acquire that help. We all know that prices are going up and these costs just rise every year. If you're a young person or have serious injuries, these replacement services costs could span decades. This is a lot of money. Don't forget about this. And certainly when you're negotiating a personal injury claim, you have to be mindful of quantum meruit damages and valuable services losses. If these damages are on your radar, if these losses and these experiences are something that you're struggling with and that your family and your friends and your loved ones are helping with, you need to stop, pause, assess the law, assess strategy, assess the evidence that you're bringing forward to support these losses. It's incredibly important that you support these claims because it's too important to forget about these losses. You need this compensation to be fully restored. Injury claims are about restoring everything that you've lost from the accident. So don't leave these two pieces unspoken for, because the insurance company will certainly not bring them up to you or pay you extra money if you haven't brought forward that argument. If this video has been helpful, if you have other questions about a personal injury claim, get in touch. I'm so happy to help personal injury victims and their network of people that are involved after an accident get answers that they need so that they're doing the right things. Not every claim needs a personal injury lawyer, but if you have ongoing need for valuable services, replacement services, and help and dependency on others, you probably do need help from a personal injury lawyer because your claim is more complicated, more complex, and likely worth more. So you need to make sure that the right decisions, the right strategy is being applied. My name's Jeff Mitchell. I'm the owner of Nova Injury Law, and I help personal injury victims every day recover what is fair. If you want what's fair for your personal injury claim, get in touch today and I'll tell you how it's done.